This is a video review of my Toiletry bag. Really like this a lot. The brand did send me this in exchange for a fair and honest review. You can see here you have the hook right here. This is what it looks like from the back right here. So we'll go through the back first. So you got a zippered pocket here. You have little like things that you could put in here. You also have a nice zippered pouch back there, which is really nice. On the side, you got another zippered pouch, so lots and lots of room for storage here. You also have another pouch right over here. And when you turn this around, just like this, this is kind of where I have my shaving cream, I have shampoo, I have conditioner. I really like that they have this bag that's kind of just like not mesh. So I put my razor in here. I have a mirror if you are looking for, and you also have more here. So you could really put a lot of stuff in this. So if you're looking for a great toiletry bag, I really like this one a lot.